Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to talk about the most popular search engine, Google. We normally use it for searching through web, but there are some amazing tricks we can do with Google. So in this video I will talk about 10 amazing Google tricks that are very amazing. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start our video. Guys, suppose we have a big number and we want to know its value in international system. Any big number, then just open Google, in search box type your number, like I enter my number, and then add equal to English and search. You just got your number's value in international system. This trick is just amazing. You can use this trick, and this trick works in both computer and mobile, both. So friends, sometimes we have to watch a movie and straight away we go to Google and search that movie's name. We go through some websites, but the websites are spam. To download the movie, you go to Google and type the movie's name and type Google Drive next to it. You can easily download the movie and watch that movie. This trick is amazing for downloading movies. Guys, you type about everything you want to know about, and it looks simple and clean, but sometimes you think to make Google look like how everything looks in a mirror. So simply go to Google and type Google mirror and click on the first link that is available. Now you Google will look like how it looks in a mirror. This trick is for people who work for hours on their computer, like in their offices, and they need a 5 to 10 minute or 15-minute short break. Then this trick is very useful for them. Simply type Pac-Man Doodle in the search box and they can play the game without any loading time. And there are many more games like Tic-Tac-Toe, Minesweeper, and Snake. There are many games in there. You can play them and take a 5 to 10 minute short break, and you don't have to download them. Without any loading time, the game will start. This is a very useful trick. Some people know about it and some people don't know. If you don't know, then let's know about this. Suppose we have some photo of some random person and we want to know who is the person in the photo. Then simply go to Google and top right area, click on images, click on camera option in search box, then select upload image. If it has any information about the person in the image, it will show the information about the person. Guys, if you want to know status of your flight, just go to Google and type your flight details in search box, and Google will give you the status of your flight. This trick is amazing if you want to travel with a flight, to know the status of that flight. Friends, if you want to see Google underwater, then type Google underwater in search box and search. Click on the first link. Google will go underwater. Type anything in the search box and click on search more, and more fish will fall and take your Google more underwater. This trick is amazing to bring your Google underwater. Guys, this trick is for those people who have misplaced their device or lost their device. So simply go to Google and type find my device in search box. Click on the first link available. Now sign in with the account you have logged in your device. Signing in after you have many options to ring your phone, or many options are there, and the location of your device will be shown. Guys, suppose if I give you a sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 2 minus 6 plus 7. To know the answer easily, go to Google and type the number, any number as I have entered my number, and then search the number, and the answer of your sum will be shown easily on your device. So this trick is amazing to know the answer of any sum. Guys, I think everyone knows about this trick. If you want to know on which day will Diwali occur in 2020 or any year. So simply go to Google and type with Diwali 2020 or the year in which you want to know. And if you want to know the weather of any city, then go to Google and type the weather and type the city's name and type weather next to it. Guys, this was it for today's video and I aim for 25 likes on this video. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.